This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarthi. Government is working to ensure that affordable medicines are available at 6,300 Pradhan Mantri Janaushadhi Kendras across the country. Union Minister of State for Chemicals and Fertilizers Mansukh Mandavia has said the warehouses of Janaushadhi centers are working day and night on war footing level to deal with the current situation due to COVID-19. During the lockdown, pharmacists of Kendras are delivering quality generic medicines at affordable prices to the common citizens. The mobile application Jan Aushadhi Sugam is also available for common public to locate their nearest Jan Aushadhi Kendra and availability of medicines with its price. The first confirmed positive case of COVID-19 was reported from Nagaland after a man was tested positive yesterday at Guwahati Medical College and Hospital. Nagaland Health Minister S. Phangneuphoom in his tweet posted said, unfortunately, one person from Dimapur has tested positive of COVID-19 and is under treatment at GMCH at Guwahati. He added that anyone who comes into contact with the person will be immediately quarantined and certain locations will be sealed for general safety. Earlier, detection of Nagaland's first positive case of COVID-19 was informed by Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma through Twitter. The Assam Health Minister in his tweet stated that the patient was referred from a private hospital in Dimapur to GMCH after he was found with symptoms of COVID-19. The Nagaland Civil Secretariat and Directorates in Kohima and Dimapur and all government offices in the districts will resume functioning with skeletal staff from today. The state government has directed the administrative head of departments to work out the detailed arrangements of the staff who will attend office on a roster system with adherence to social distancing and necessary health safety measures in the offices. Further, the state government informed that all schools, colleges, universities, all types of educational institutions, coaching, tuition classes which are presently closed under lockdown will continue to remain closed throughout the state of Nagaland till further orders. Easter was celebrated across the globe yesterday. President, Vice President and Prime Minister greeted people on Easter. President Ramnath Kovind called upon people to learn from the teachings of Jesus Christ and work together to advance the common good of entire humanity. The lockdown in Assam due to COVID-19 outbreak in many parts of the country was unable to dampen the spirit of Christian believers in the state to celebrate Easter Sunday. People stayed indoors and took part in the Holy Mass and prayers streamed live by various churches to commemorate the resurrection of Jesus Christ. The citizens of the Northeast and the rest of the country also joined hands with Meghalaya to pray and seek God's blessings and the much-needed strength when the world is faced with COVID-19 crisis. The Meghalaya Praise initiative of Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, which was streamed live in various channels and social media platforms on Sunday at 6 p.m., attracted the citizens and they took part in the hymns Amazing Grace and How Great Thou Art with candles in their hand. Manipur police have arrested 302 people for violating the lockdown norms to combat COVID-19 pandemic in the state. The arrested people were produced before a court which imposed a fine of 24,600 rupees on them for violating the lockdown to combat COVID-19 pandemic in the country. A press release issued by Additional Director General of Police in charge of law and order L. Kailun said. The police appeal to the public to remain at home for safety of person and life and for all, the press release added. Mizoram has enough stock of personal protective equipment for health workers to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. The State Nodal Officer of Integrated Disease Surveillance Program and epidemiologist Dr. Pachau Lal Malsoma said that the state has enough stock of PPEs to meet urgent requirements as of now. He said that additional procurement has been sought from the center and are likely to arrive soon. He said that PPEs were distributed to Zoram Medical College, district hospitals and private hospitals across the state. Pachau said that PPEs are also sewn by local manufacturers. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.